It's here. It's finally time. It's been a whole month and it's finally September, and that means that it's time to draw our home base raffle. Hey there, John Henry here, ssftg. Welcome to the video. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome my friend. I hope to earn your like and subscription today. And this one's gonna be a really fun one, so strap in. Now, a while back, we dropped a video detailing all the info about the Upland home residences. And if you're not sure what that is, you can go up into the top left and you can see your home residence right there. And you have to be able to set a structure as your home residence. So, as an effort to get that going, we banded together, as we always do in the Woodhood, and helped each other build up a bunch of different structures so that people could set their home residences. And with that, we were able to secure some seriously incredible stuff. With the help of our nodalers through building and conversations and tracking people down to get them to get their buildings going and all that fun stuff, we were able to nail down a whopping 49 residences setting their home base in the Woodhood. That secured 6th place, well, I guess tied for 5th place. But when you break down the overall number of properties in the node for how many people have set their home base there, we've secured 1st place from that percentage side of things. And I couldn't be prouder. Absolutely incredible work that has gone into this, and it's just getting started. Now we get to have some real fun. Remember, the amazing part about this raffle, like we talked about when we were going through and setting it all up, is that half of its winning pot is being split with our chosen autism charity of the month. Now, I know we're going into September, but this is going to be going towards the Autism Science Foundation, which was our chosen foundation for August, just so that we're on the same page. So just as a quick refresher, the goal of this raffle was to get people to set their home residences within the node and build up the Woodhood as it already has been, right? We've been building it up like it's going out of style. And if we zoom in, I mean, the amount of structures that are in here is absolutely insane. We've broken over 20% now as far as total built in the node. I think we've gone on 22%. We're starting to see some vehicles showing up. HQ's got the Orange Beast. It is going absolutely crazy, and it's absolutely, I mean, it's amazing. Not only that, but with the floating farms and everything going on there, we just had a battle royale with Century City, and sorry Century City, I'm not trying to make any bad blood, but we floored you guys in that one. Holy cow. Now, obviously we had a little bit of fun with the floating farm side of things too. There's so much going on the node side of things that, I mean, how can you not be excited? To be able to be eligible for the raffle, all you had to do was set your home address to the Woodhood and then do a minimum of 1,000 UPX to buy a raffle ticket, so to speak. With that money, because we've been collecting it all this way, we have a monster truck of a I mean, look at this thing. 130,000 UPX for the winner's pot. That means that 130,000 UPX, $130, is getting donated towards our autism charity of the month. I mean, holy cow, this is ridiculous. So not only should we be absolutely floored by the turnout, but this is a huge deal. We're going to be making a big donation. Now, I have been preparing for this because I've been seeing this donation pot raise up really, really fast. I've been selling off a bunch of properties in USD, so I do have the funds available, so we'll be able to withdraw that and we'll get our donation going. I've got that side of things taken care of already, just so that we're on the same page. Now, going beyond that, there are 27 total participants in this, but one of them is the Seed Bank Charitable Trust. That's where we collect a bunch of UPX and we do giveaways and raffles and properties and this kind of stuff, right? That's where all that goes, and we were able to give up to 30,000 UPX in that one, which is absolutely awesome too. Now, because we have such a huge pot, I wanted to have a little bit more fun with that and get more people involved, because it is cool to have one gigantic lump sum going to one person, but honestly, 100K going to somebody is a pretty big sum anyway, and that allows us to give 25K to 2nd place and the leftovers to 3rd place, which still is 5,417. Definitely not bad. That means that 3 people who paid a minimum of 1,000 for the raffle ticket are going to be getting at least 5,000 with a max of 100K. Holy cow. All right, so we've got everybody over in the Wheel of Winners. I took out the SBCT, right? That one's out of there, so we should be good there. Yeah, so we've got 26 total participants. What I'm going to be doing is drawing for 3rd place first, 2nd place second, and 3rd place third. Holy cow, I got lost in my own words there. Anyway, I'm going to be drawing third place first. We'll just go with that, okay? So this is for third place, and that's going to be for 5,417 UPX. Let's see who the winner of third place is. Who is our lucky winner? Who is going to be? Gold Charm! Gold Charm is the winner of third place. Congratulations, my friend. You are the winner of 5,417 UPX. That is awesome. So let me get... That's not how that name works. There we go. We'll get your name in there. And I want to do this uninterrupted. Sorry, my dog's going ballistic in the background. It's got this little, like, plushy pig thing. And she's just going crazy with it. Anyway, let me get your name off the list here. And let's go again. Now we're going for second place. Second place is 25,000. Who's going to be our second place winner? Oh, 396 Max Damon. Hey. Woo, nice, very nice win. 25,000 on second place. Congratulations, my friend. Let me get your name in here the right way. There we go. And now, oh, holy moly. And now is the time that we've been waiting for. 100,000 UPX on this final one. Who is the winner of our first place? First place goes to Doombot75. Congratulations, my friend. 100,000 UPX is going your way. Absolutely incredible. All right, that means that we get to have some fun here. So let's get this UPX sent. Gold Charm, you are the first one. 5,417. Let's do a player search. Gold Charm. Get that there. Send UPX 5417. 5417. Is it going to ask me for a code? I'll just get the code ready just in case. Send. And... Yep, there's the code. Oh, man. Talk about a buzzkill. All right. Gold Charm. Got you taken care of. Nice. That one is done. 396, you are next. 25,000. Let's get this taken care of. 396, got you. You're still in Sherwood. That's good. Send. And 25,000 UPX. Holy moly. Let's get that sent over there. Yeah! Got it sent over. Nice. You are taken care of. Doombot. Doombot, you're next. Doombot, you're next. Let's see here. Doombot 75. Get that in there. Sherwood Forest. That's right. I like it. Good, good, good. Whew. Oh, baby, look at that. Wow. Boom. There we go, baby. 100K just got sent over to Doombot. Congratulations, everybody along the way. What a raffle. Holy moly. All right, now, before I forget, let's go in and let's withdraw these funds. Let's withdraw these funds because we got to pay that too. So we'll get this all withdrawn. I don't think it's going to show anything too bad here. That's fine. PayPal accounts, nothing too bad. We'll get that going. And there we go. So we've got that withdrawn as well. So as soon as that's withdrawn, I will get that all paid over because not only do we have 100,000, 130,000 overall that we got all taken care of, 130,000, I've got to cash out $130.42, I'll round up, for our chosen Autism Charity of the Month. Absolutely amazing. I cannot believe this. All right, we have everything taken care of, and man, I tell you what, if this doesn't show you a reason why the Woodhood is the best node on the planet, man, I don't know what else to tell you, right? We just got $130 that we're donating towards the Autism Science Foundation. We sent 100K to one of our nodalers, 25K to another one, and over 5K to another, all for a 1K raffle ticket. Unbelievable. The amount of support and everything that's going into this is incredible. Thank you all so much. Now remember, we absolutely have to take a second to thank JesterRob33 for putting all of this on in the first place. It was their idea to get things going and have half of it going towards the Autism Science Foundation. This is exactly why these are our Woodhood heroes. These are our representatives' ears. These are where the ideas are coming from. It's absolutely incredible, and this is what it's all about. So thank you, my friend. Without your ideas and without this, we couldn't have done it. So absolutely incredible, especially considering that you were the one that ponied up 100K to get it going. Absolutely epic. I'm going to stop saying absolutely, I promise. I'm super pumped about it, right? So that's going to do it for this one. Of course, if you have any questions, comments, or anything else, drop them in the comments section below. I always love hearing from you. And until the next one, enjoy, rest up, and we'll see you all in the metaverse. Thanks. Bye.